Tom the Caravan Man in Beverley. This has got to be the best looking, the highest spec Renault Trafic campervan on the market. Long wheelbase, fantastic graphics on the outside, off-road tyres with the cruise, alloy wheels in gloss black sidebars, and the privacy glass. So it looks amazing on the outside. So silver with the black graphics. So it's been done by a company called CVC, which are extremely good. You'll see inside, extremely good converters, very well known. So it's got a tow bar included. It's got this fantastic leather interior. I'll show you inside in a second. There is a flat slimline solar panel on the roof bars included as well. Bike rack included. Fiamma wind out awning included. So it looks amazing on the outside, and long wheelbase is more popular. So it's got the front bumper extension in gloss back spoiler on the bonnet, and those sidebars, so it looks very chunky indeed. And have a look at this interior. So you've got the parquet floor, LED lighting all around the floor, and then look at this one interior. There we are, starlight headliner in all different shades of the rainbow. That can be set to your colour choice, and absolutely immaculate. It looks like the hob, in fact the whole interior looks like it's never been used. Absolutely immaculate. So the table is removable. Then you've got this fantastic leather interior with the CVC logo stitched into the headrests. So it has 5 seat belts. So these 2 seats, you undo those 2 screws there. So these 2 seats spin round. I'll show you those seats in a second. It has a Habitation diesel heater. There's the vent. It has a gas bottle included. So it is a 2017, but only done 64,000 miles. So it's very hard to find a low mileage camper. It's got this great 2-tone dashboard, light grey and dark grey, because a lot of camper vans, people use them as a daily driver and go on holiday with them on top of that. So a low mileage camper, very rare. So it's 6-speed manual gearbox, these beautiful unmarked leather seats, and it's a top of the range Trafic. It's called a Sport Nav model, which means it gets the sat nav built in. And then you get the multifunction leather steering wheel with the cruise control, air conditioning, and a touchscreen head unit, and heated seats. Wow, amazing. Looks amazing on the outside. So £27,000, very competitively priced. We had a basic Renault Trafic that sold for a similar price as this. So with this, you get all this extra spec, all this great look to it. For £27,000, I can do finance on this up to a 10-year term. Part exchange is welcome depending on what it is. And if you want a finance quote, contact me on the mobile number. This will sell quickly. This has got everything going for it. If this one is of interest, please contact me on the mobile number. To see more new arrivals, please like and subscribe.